Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. We got exciting recipe for you today, and you're gonna like it. But don't forget, guys, we got our first merch. Hit me up in the email that's in the description. They're $6 a piece or 2 for $10. Email me, we'll get them out to you. All right. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, look. The Reaper's being compliant. The governor, we got him wear a mask out in public. But, me and Gunji, yeah. So, But, let's go ahead and get some of this stuff chopped up. Just gonna do an onion. One onion, nothing major. This is going to go inside of what we're making today. Alright? And Gunchi, I don't think he's going to be here to eat it because, he's going off to summer camp. So, we won't see him till next week. Now, I know a buddy, top pro forerunner, he wanted to go out for wings. But, Alright. It's over here in the skillet. Got some butter and olive oil. Yeah. We'll get her done, folks. We'll get her done. Good to be back with you guys. But, don't forget. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We're here all the time. And we have fun doing it. Whoops, cut that one. Yeah, well, we tried to spare some of the seeds there. There we go. Man down. History there, buddy. We don't want that guy. We don't want them seeds. All right. We're just gonna chop up our green peppers here. A few little chunks there. Throw them in the skillet with the onions because they like each other, Good flavor. All right. Remember, guys, keep your fingers in when you're frying or when you're cutting. Not so much when you're frying, but yeah, we don't want them seeds. We're just gonna do one green pepper, guys. Then she's like, "Dad, we gotta go." I'm like, I know, but I gotta record what I can while you're here. Yeah. All right. As you see, we got our onions and our green man down. Oh, another man down. Oh, well. Got our onions and green pepper in there. I'm just going to throw a little bit of pepper in here. Just season it up a little bit. We won't do any habanero powder, Gunchi likes those tricks. A little bit of garlic. And salt, of course, because I'm actually using unsalted butter. So it's going to need some help. Yep. Alright, we're going to fry those down. I got my other skillet there going for our sausage. Breakfast sausage. Get these seeds out of the way. These are going to be for our home fries, folks. These are going inside of what we're making. I left the peels on because I like peels. You can peel your potatoes if you want, but all your vitamins, they're in the peel. Just clean them up real good. All right? Oh yeah. Alright, if you want to hand me my wooden spoon over there, buddy. Just when you think you're prepared for everything. Bam! Always forgetting something. I'm going to break my sausage up here. You know, I was thinking I need to get one of those little fancy little plastic things, but it'll probably melt in this cast iron skillet. We're just going to chunk our sausage up a little bit. And your sausage, salty enough, so don't add any salt to that. It's a pound. All we need is a pound. And we shouldn't get a lot of grease out of this. I'm going to finish dicing up these potatoes, guys, and let this sausage fry up. I'll be back with you in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back. Got our sausage cooking up here. We'll go ahead and throw in our ham. I got to thinking. I don't think I told you guys what I was actually cooking. But we're doing the ultimate omelet. That's just diced ham there, guys. Gonna go ahead and get some of this flavor in there from the sausage. Fry it up a little bit. Get it up to temp. See, our sausage is brown real nice. Told you there wouldn't be any grease in there. Alright. And our veggies are good. Sorry for the delay, guys. Had to take my little guy to summer camp. Alright, we're gonna let our stuff come up to temp here. And I'll be right back with you in a minute. Alright guys, we got our sausage and ham set aside. Got our butter, unsalted. Olive oil in the pan. We're going to go ahead and get our potatoes fried up. These, my friends, are going inside the omelet. Our veggies are good. I'm going to turn them off. But we're going to leave them on the heat. That way they stay hot. Seasoning up the potatoes. I'm using a little garlic. Some pepper. And remember, the sausage is salty, so we're not going to use a lot of salt in the potatoes, just enough. I didn't wash out the pan because I want these potatoes to absorb all that flavor from the other stuff we just cooked, all right? We're gonna, and folks, I gotta find a way to download some more music to our videos. All 68 of my videos have been copyright struck because of music, which I really don't agree with, because I had permission to use a lot of the music. So I'm in the process of removing all the music from the older videos. And I just downloaded some royalty-free, copyright-free music. But until I can get it into the app, guys, I can't get it into the videos. But I'll see what I can do. Can't have the heavy metal chef without the heavy metal music, guys. All right? I'm going to let these potatoes brown up. I'll be back with you in a few minutes, guys. See you in a minute. Hey guys, our potatoes are ready. So I'm just going to set them off to the side here. And with our veggies, I'm going to get my skillet cleaned out. And we'll go ahead and get this assembled, guys. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Had a little delay. I put just a hair of salt, just a little bit dab of pepper in the eggs, which are all whisked up here, well, spooned up. There you go. Got our skillet heated up, butter and olive oil. All right. I'm going to put the lid on there. That way I don't have to flip it around. Got on about a medium heat. The trick is to keeping everything warm. It's fun. Oh yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of this sausage and ham in there. It's amazing. It's amazing, guys. Smell-o-vision. Woohoo! Some peppers and onions. Our potatoes. This is actually made in a diner down here local. They call it the Big Jack. Well, the Big Jack, it's a little diner, got weird hours. Open all hours of the night, but closed during the day. But this, folks, it's the Big Jack. You're gonna love it, and it is tasty. We're gonna throw the tomatoes in inside. Why? Because warm. You think, oh, that's gonna be weird. No, actually it's not. It's pretty darn tasty, guys. Look at all that goodness in there. Whoops. Do not attempt this at home, folks. I think I needed more egg. Well, let me fix this, guys. I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, guys. Sorry about that little catastrophe. I had to go and whip up another one. So, there you have it. It's a Big Jack. You're going to love it. I'd like to thank you for being with another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. I'll see you next time, guys.